Hello everybody. Today we're looking at how to convert from a PDF document to a Microsoft Word document. Super easy. To do this, you're not going to need a website, and we are not going to be using any type of a software or anything like that. So we are using what we already have, which is amazing. Alright, so we have two ways of doing this. I decided that I start with the first method because with the first method, it's not only specific for PDF and Microsoft Word. You can use it for other programs as well that have a relationship, so like PDF and Microsoft Word, we already know that there is a relationship there, a strong relationship. So with the first method, we're going to be using this file. So you come to the file, you right click on the file, you go to open with, you look for Microsoft Word here. Alright, Microsoft Word is not appearing, so we're gonna choose another app, and then we check again. For me, Microsoft Word is still not here. I'm gonna click more apps, and then I'm going down. I see I have Microsoft Word here, so I'm gonna click it once, or you can just double click it, but I'm gonna click it once, and then you click OK. You wait, so you're gonna get this pop-up, and then sometimes you might have to wait much longer depending on how big your PDF is and how complicated it is. So this one is not complicated, so you click OK. Here it is, and fortunately it did not change the formatting. Sometimes it does change the formatting. You will have to adjust if that happens. All right, so this was the first method. Okay, easy, right? Okay, so now we are moving on to the second method, which is also easy, but now this one is specific for Microsoft Word for PDF to Microsoft Word. So let me see. We come to Microsoft Word. You open Microsoft Word, and then you go to File, and then you say Open. When you go to Open, you go to Browse, and then after Browse, you go to the location of the PDF. You go to Desktop, and then this is our PDF. You click the PDF once, and then you click Open, and then you're gonna get the error again. You're gonna get this pop-up, and then depending on how complicated it is, you just click OK. Here is the file. Super easy, guys. Okay, super easy. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next video. If this helped you in a way, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you click that like button. Please make sure you do that. I'm gonna see you in the next video. See you soon. God bless. Stay blessed. I hope you're working hard to get successful and get that financial freedom. Okay, let's go.